It has been 1 week since a massive EF-4 tornado hit southeastern Kentucky. Today, we're learning more about its path. The National Weather Service has updated the track, which you can see here represented by a red line. Officials say it traveled nearly 60 miles and stayed on the ground for an hour and a half. The National Weather Service says this is one of the strongest tornadoes to ever hit the Jackson, Kentucky Weather Office area. It's also the deadliest. 19 people died in the storm. 10 are still in the hospital recovering. Curfews are still in place, in two of the counties that were hit the hardest, Laurel and Pulaski, ensuring safety during the cleanup. And people living there now are dealing with what's left of their homes.
Sadness. But
everything we've ever worked
alive.
for, but we have one another, and that's all that matters. We're not hurt, and we have one another.
Kentucky is still waiting for a sign-off from FEMA after the tornado. Governor Andy Beshear says that he has been calling the White House every day because the hundreds of people who have been impacted cannot get federal financial help without White House approval.